Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of MIG welders, highlighting the top 7 models for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a hobbyist, finding the right MIG welder can transform your welding projects. So let's get started and discover which MIG welders made the cut this year. Number 1. VEVOR MIG Welder. First on our list is the VEVOR MIG Welder. This unit is engineered to meet the needs of both beginners and advanced welders. With a robust 140 output, it's versatile enough for a variety of welding tasks. The VEVOR MIG Welder features a sleek, compact design that makes it easy to transport and store. Its user-friendly interface includes a digital display for precise adjustments, ensuring you get the perfect weld every time. The build quality of this welder is impressive, with a durable metal casing that can withstand heavy use. Its welding performance is consistently reliable, thanks to its stable arc and efficient wire feed system. This model supports MIG, MMA, and flux core welding processes, adding to its versatility. The included accessories like the welding gun and ground clamp are well built and complement the welder's overall high quality. Its durability is further enhanced by the fan-cooled system, which prevents overheating during extended welding sessions. Whether you're working on automotive repairs or DIY projects, the VEVOR MIG Welder delivers excellent performance and reliability, making it a top choice for many welders.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Sunstac 140 amp MIG Welder. Next, we have the Sunstac 140 amp MIG Welder, a compact yet powerful machine designed for versatility and ease of use. With a maximum output of 140 amps, this welder is ideal for light to medium-duty welding applications. Its design is both practical and user-friendly, featuring an intuitive control panel that simplifies the welding process for users of all skill levels. The Sunstac MIG Welder boasts a sturdy construction with a robust metal frame that ensures long-term durability. Its lightweight and portable design make it perfect for on-the-go welding tasks. The welder's adjustable settings allow for precise control over the welding parameters, resulting in high-quality welds every time. One of the standout features of the Sunstac MIG Welder is its compatibility with both MIG and flux core wires, giving you flexibility in your welding projects. The machine's smooth arc and reliable wire feed system enhance its overall effectiveness, making it a reliable choice for various welding needs. If you're looking for a welder that combines performance with portability, the Sunstac 140 amp is a solid option. Number 3. PrimeWeld MIG 180 MIG Welder. Coming in at number 3 is the PrimeWeld MIG 180 MIG Welder, known for its impressive performance and advanced features. This welder offers a high output of 180 amps, making it suitable for a wide range of welding applications, from light repairs to heavy-duty projects. Its durable and ergonomic design ensures comfort and efficiency during use. The PrimeWeld MIG 180 stands out with its dual voltage capability, allowing you to switch between 110V and 220V power sources, adding to its versatility. Its advanced control panel features a digital display and easy-to-adjust settings, giving you precise control over your welds. The machine supports MIG, flux core, and lift TIG welding, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. The build quality of the PrimeWeld MIG 180 is exceptional, with a robust metal construction that ensures longevity and durability. Its efficient wire feed system and stable arc performance make it a reliable choice for both professional and home use. For those seeking a powerful and adaptable MIG welder, the PrimeWeld MIG 180 is a top contender. Number 4. TOOLIOM Aluminum MIG Welder. At number 4, we have the TOOLIOM Aluminum MIG Welder, a model designed to tackle both steel and aluminum welding tasks with ease. With a maximum output of 200 amps, this welder is capable of handling a variety of welding projects. Its modern design features a durable metal case and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both novice and experienced welders. The TOOLIOM MIG Welder excels in its versatility, offering MIG, flux core, and aluminum welding capabilities. Its advanced control panel includes a digital display and adjustable settings for fine-tuning your welds. The machine's efficient wire feed system ensures consistent and smooth operation, while the high-frequency start provides a stable arc. Durability is a key feature of the TOOLIOM MIG Welder, with its heavy-duty construction designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use. The machine's portability and ease of setup make it a convenient option for various welding tasks. If you need a welder that can handle different materials and deliver high-quality results, the TOOLIOM Aluminum MIG Welder is an excellent choice. Number 5. LOTOS MIG 175-175A MIG Welder. Number 5 on our list is the LOTOS MIG 175-175A MIG Welder, a powerful and reliable machine designed for professional and home use. With a maximum output of 175 amps, this welder is well suited for a range of welding tasks, from automotive repairs to metal fabrication. Its solid construction and user-friendly design make it a top choice for many welders. The LOTOS MIG 175 features a durable metal case and a clear, easy-to-use control panel. Its dual-voltage capability allows for flexibility in power sources, and its advanced wire feed system ensures smooth and consistent operation. The machine supports MIG and flux cord welding, providing versatility for various projects. One of the standout features of the LOTOS MIG 175 is its effective cooling system, which prevents overheating during extended use. Its high-quality welds and reliable performance make it a valuable addition to any workshop. For those seeking a robust and efficient MIG welder, the LOTOS MIG 175 is a great option. Number 6. Hobart 500,553 Handler MIG Welder. Next, we have the Hobart 500,553 Handler MIG Welder, known for its exceptional build quality and performance. With a maximum output of 500 amps, this welder is designed to handle a variety of welding tasks with ease. Its rugged construction and reliable performance make it a favorite among professional welders. The Hobart 500,553 features a durable metal case and an intuitive control panel that simplifies the welding process. Its adjustable settings and smooth wire feed system ensure precise and high-quality welds. The machine supports MIG and flux cord welding, making it versatile for different projects. One of the key advantages of the Hobart 500,553 is its efficient cooling system, which prevents overheating during long welding sessions. Its sturdy design and reliable performance make it a top choice for heavy-duty welding applications. If you're looking for a MIG welder that combines durability and efficiency, the Hobart 500,553 is an excellent choice. Number 7. Lincoln Electric Power MIG Welder. Finally, at number 7, we have the Lincoln Electric Power MIG Welder, a top-tier machine designed for high performance and versatility. With a maximum output of 180 amps, this welder is suitable for a range of welding tasks, from home repairs to professional projects. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a standout choice in the market. The Lincoln Electric Power MIG Welder boasts a durable metal case and a user-friendly control panel. Its advanced wire feed system ensures smooth and consistent operation, while its adjustable settings allow for precise control over your welds. The machine supports MIG, flux cord, and stick welding, providing flexibility for various applications. Durability is a key feature of the Lincoln Electric Power MIG Welder, with its efficient cooling system and rugged construction designed to withstand frequent use. Its high-quality welds and reliable performance make it a valuable addition to any workshop. For those seeking a powerful and adaptable MIG welder, the Lincoln Electric Power MIG Welder is a top choice. And there you have it, our top 7 MIG welders for 2025. Each of these models offers unique features and capabilities, making them ideal choices for various welding needs. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, there's an MIG welder here that's perfect for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and happy welding!